really wish to earn good rate of interest and at the same time you want your investment to be secured, then this is the right video. This is not a paid video, so my opinion will not be biased. 12% Club by BharatPe offers a better investment option as it provides high rate of interest, flexibility, safety, easy withdrawal, daily interest and tax benefits too. But we know everything has a positive and negative sides both. If it has so many benefits, it must be having a dark side too. I will tell you both. Let me first start with 7 benefits that 12% Club by BharatPe provides over bank FDs. Number 1. Higher interest rates. The 12% Club by BharatPe offers high interest rate. And as the name suggests, the interest rate is 12%. Right, compared to traditional bank fixed deposit rate, which typically offers interest rate of around 6 to 7% only. Second, daily interest. Interest is credited to the account on daily basis by 12% Club, whereas bank FD fixed deposit would offer quarterly, semi-annual or annual interest. Third, liquidity. The 12% Club allows customer to withdraw their money at any time, whereas bank fixed deposit usually have penalties for early withdrawals, that is withdrawal before maturity. Fourth, safety and security. The 12% Club is backed by BharatPe, a leading fintech company which ensures safety and security of customers' investment. It's the company which is founded by most famous shark of season 1 of Shark Tank and the author of famous book Doglapan, none other than Mr. Ashneel Grover, but the man is not the CEO of the company as on date. Fifth, convenience. The 12% Club can be easily accessed to BharatPe mobile app, that is 12% Club app, which allows customer to invest and withdraw money at any time. Sixth, tax benefit. The 12% Club by BharatPe doesn't deduct TDS on interest, as P2P lending companies are not required to do so, whereas bank would deduct TDS on interest at the rate of 10%. Seventh, flexibility. With 12% Club by BharatPe, you have the flexibility to invest in smaller denomination, any amount, maybe rupees 1000 only, and withdraw your money at any time. Now let's hear the dark side of 12% Club. It's a P2P lending company, that is peer-to-peer lending company. This company is lending money to individuals or businesses through online platform without the involvement of traditional financial institutions. The main risk associated with P2P lending is the risk of default, that is the borrower failing to repay the loan which has been taken from 12% Club BharatPe. This can lead to loss of money which is deposited by you investors. But at the same time, you must also know that even bank deposits are secured to the extent of 5 lakh rupees only. This means even the bank deposits made by you are subject to default risk. By the way, these P2P lending companies like 12% Club by BharatPe earn a very high rate of interest. They shall be profitable even if their NPAs are as high as 10%. Banks do not have such margin as they do not charge very high rate of interest from their lenders. For those who don't know NPA, NPAs means default loan amount. So even if there is a default of 10%, right, these P2P lending companies will not be at loss as their margins are very high. Though they are giving 12% to the depositors, they are charging much higher from the person who is borrowing. Risk is associated with almost every investment. Let me clarify, this is not a promotion. I personally use BharatPe to invest my money and hence I have shared. I have given the link in the description to sign up for 12% club account. Yes, the given link is an affiliate link, and when you sign up through that link, BharatPe rewards me with a very small token of appreciation in terms of money, which is in fact immaterial to me. I have shared this only as an information and update on financial literacy in the capacity of an educator. Keep learning, keep earning.